Now I am alone. Johnny? Thanks. Oh, what a rogue and peasant slave. Am I? Is it? Not monstrous that this player here, but in a fiction, in a dream of passion, could force his soul so to his conceit that from her working all his visage wand, tears in his eyes, distraction in his aspect, a broken voice, and his whole function suiting with forms to his conceit. And all for nothing, for Hecuba. Hecuba. What's Hecuba? To him or he to her that he should weep for her. What? No! Would he do, had he the motive and the cue for passion that I have? He would drown the stage with tears and cleave the general air with horrid speech, make mad the guilty and appall the free, confound the ignorant and amaze indeed the very faculties of eyes. And ears, yet I, a dull and muddy, metalled rascal, peep like, John? Dreams unpregnant of my cause and can say no. Sing no! Not. For a king, upon whose property and most dear life a damned defeat was made. Am I? A coward. Who calls me? Villain. Breaks my pate across, tweaks me by the nose, plucks off my beard and blows it in my face, gives me the lie, if throat as deep as to the lungs. Who does me this? Ha, 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 ha. Why? I should take it, for it cannot be but I am pigeon-livered and lack gall to make oppression bitter, or ere this I should have fatted all the region kites with this slave's Ophelia, Ophelia? Bloody body villain, remorseless, lecherous, treacherous, kindless villain. Why? What an ass! This is most brave. That I, the son of a dear father murdered, prompted to my revenge by heaven and hell, must like a whore unpack my heart with words and fall, cursing like a very drab a scullion, fire pond. Oh. Oh. About my brains! I have heard that guilty creatures sitting at a play have by the very cunning of the scene been struck so to the soul that presently they have proclaimed their malefactions for murder. Though it have no tongue, will speak with most miraculous organ. I'll have these players play something like the murder of my father before mine uncle. I'll observe his looks. No, I'll tend him to the quick, if he do blench. I know my course. This spirit I have seen may be a devil, and the devil hath power to assume a pleasing shape, yea, and perhaps out of my weakness and my melancholy, as he is very potent with such spirits, abuses me to damn me. I'll have grounds more relative than this. The play. The thing wherein I'll catch the conscience of the king.